Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to quickly use the Excel formatting functionality to search a particular item in a sheet. For example, in the sheet, if we type dynamically NI, all the items or row items that are containing this symbol Nifty gets highlighted. For example, if I select H, so all the row items where H is there in the symbol name gets highlighted. Similarly, as and when I type, my selection changes dynamically. Let's see how we can quickly achieve this. For this, I have created the sheet already. What I'll do here is I'll go to the developer tab and click on insert. We'll insert a text box over here. Okay. And now what we have to do is in this text box, we'll go to text box properties and we will link a particular cell where the output of this text box will go. For example, I will link C2 here. Okay. Now the last thing that I need to do with this text box is to disable the design mode. Okay. Now whatever I type in this text box, let's say test, etc., the output will go into the cell C2. Okay. Now the last thing that I need to do is to do conditional formatting. Okay, so we will go ahead and select this entire table. Use Control Shift down key. This entire table gets selected. We will go again to the Home tab and select Conditional Formatting and select Manage Rules. Here we will go ahead and add a new rule. Okay. If you see on my screen, we have to use this rule type. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. Now what we can do here is we'll type equal to, and first thing that we'll check is that our cell C2 where we are getting this information is not equal to blank. So we'll select this, and the next thing that we'll check is we'll do a search function in that Excel wherein we'll search the value that is there in C2 with this symbol name, and it will, if it is true, the search function returns a particular number. Okay, if it is false, it returns an error. So to check if it is correct and true and false, we have to convert that message. So what we'll do is we'll convert it to as ISNUMBER, and then we'll write search $3, $2. Then we will put this as our search item. Now we have to, since we have to highlight the entire row, we will freeze the row that is A6 using $, and we will not put $, near the column number. Okay, and now we'll close the parenthesis and we'll go ahead and select formatting. We'll select any color, for example this, and then we'll click OK. Now our formula is ready. We'll click on apply, hit OK. Now let us see this in action. Or SUZ, all the items here are getting highlighted. Okay. So this is not case sensitive. There's a separate video we'll make, but right now this is insensitive, so you can type in any case and the correct options will get highlighted. Thank you. Do like and comment on this video.